Breathe. All these things and more are living out in the wild. Just need to see them. If you listen very closely, you can hear a bird.
Water! I like watering grass.
Watch how this man waters grass.
Hold on, you gotta see the mist. No, now you see the full, now you see the cone, now you see the center. Now you see
Obviously, this man has issues.
Look at me, then you see the jet, and then you see the mist again.
Now, if we look back at the wild, you can see this is just as beautiful.
That's me!
No.
Oh.
As anything else you've ever seen. Watch behind the scenes as an innocent man struggles to get the kick.
Kinks, my worst nightmare.
This man clearly has some issues.
Shut up!
Get out of here, fatty. Get out.
You get out. I'm watering grass. Don't say anything. They say stay in your lane, boy. Lane, boy. But we go where we want to. They think this is a highway. Highway. But will there be lots tomorrow? Illuminati.
Oh God!
It's really Illuminati's secret garden.
Why am I so slow now? Please, please don't. Ah!
It's control all of you.